ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនជនរួមជាតិទាំងអស់គ្នាចាខ្ញុំលីសាឥឡូវខ្ញុំមកចូលរួមកម្មវិធីគេថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងខាងសាលារៀន Buddhist Pal School ជា private school គាត់ធ្វើ fundraising ធ្វើ fundraising ដើម្បីបានលុយយកមកសាសង់សាលាហើយនៅអូស្ត្រាលីហ្នឹងនៅ Sydney ហ្នឹងមានតែមួយទេថាសាលារៀន private school គេហៅថា Buddhist Pal School ហ្នឹងឡើងក៏ធ្វើកម្មវិធី fundraising ដោយសិស្សដែលរៀននៅ Buddhist Pal School ហ្នឹងគាត់គឺថាគាត់មាន food store គាត់លក់ដើម្បីយកលុយមកជួយសាលារៀនគឺគំនិតល្អមែនទែនឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ញុំមានសិស្សដែលគាត់ក្រុមតាមមួយខ្ញុំអាមីរ៉ាហើយក្រុមគ្រូសិក្សាគាត់ដែលគាត់មានហាងបាត់ដំបងnumber 2ដោយស្រង់បាត់ដំបងnumber 2នៅកាប់រំតាហ្នឹងដែលធ្លាប់ជួយអបថំគុំយើងហើយបានរៃលុយជួយភាសាខ្មែរយើងនៅស្រុកខ្មែរណាគាត់លើហ្នឹងកូនគាត់មកលក់អីវ៉ាន់ហ្នឹងដើម្បីរៃលុយជួយសាលារៀន Buddhist Pal School ឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញជូន Hello Amira I'm live right now Amira can you tell us a little bit what are you doing today
Today I made it into the grand finals for my school cooking competition so today I will be selling my Pani Puri dish. Looks nice.
Oh, this is the food that she's selling. Can you tell us what is this? What it called?
It's called Golden Bliss Balls, and there's it's a Pani Puri shell. It's filled with rice noodle, lettuce, prawn, jaa, so like pate, cucumber, chili, and a pea. And you pour the fish sauce. You pour a bit inside, and you eat it in one bite.
Oh wow! It looks very delicious. Did you create that as original, authentic that you made? Oh my God! It's so clever. Okay,នេះបងប្អូនសូមអញ្ជើញមកជួយ support មកជួយទិញនៅហាងដែល Amira នេះមាន QR code.
Here, it will lead you to a Facebook page, and you go to photos. You look for my face.
Yes.
And then you can like it to vote for me.
Yeah. Amira, what year are you this year?
I'm in year 8.
You're year 8 and you're the student of Buddhist Pal School, yes? Buddhist Pal School is a private school.
Yeah.
Yeah, and today you're fundraising to help. Yes, that's amazing. កូនខ្មែរយើងមានកំណត់ល្អមែនតើតែជួយរៃលុយជួយសាលារៀន Buddhist Pal School នឹងហើយបងប្អូនជួយ vote គាត់ផងនេះ QR code ជួយ vote from everywhere around the world. Please help to vote for Amira. She made into the grand final food competition. Young Master Chef. Yes. And these are the uniform she's wearing. Can you show us a bit of your uniform, Buddhist Pal School uniform?
It has a tie, jumper, undershirt, and it's a pinafore.
Oh, it's so beautiful, classic, elegant, and very respectful. The uniform, amazing color. And can you tell us a bit more about the Buddhist Pal School?
It's a school. It fosters generosity, morality, and diligence. And it's really good because it teaches you discipline.
Yes, yeah. អនគ្រាន់តែឃើញ Amira និយាយមកគឺថាគាត់នឹងគឺថាមានចរិតល្អកូនខ្មែរល្អហើយចេះគោរពអញ្ចឹងហើយបងប្អូនគួរថាមិនជូនកូនមករៀននៅ Buddhist Pal School ឲ្យគាត់មានរបៀបរបបហើយមានចេះគោរពម៉ាក់ប៉ាឲ្យដឹងពីវប្បធម៌ហើយនឹងព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនាផងវាអាចគឺល្អមែនទែន Buddhist Pal School is one of the best school in Sydney New South Wales.
Thank you. Please
ហើយលបាំសាលារៀនហ្នឹងក៏និយាយទៅក៏បង្រៀនឲ្យចេះដឹងគ្រប់បែបយ៉ាងមិនត្រឹមតែសាសនាទេគេថាចេះស្រឡាញ់ឪពុកម្ដាយចេះគោរពឪពុកម្ដាយចេះជួយសង្គមចេះជួយសង្គមជួយ community សហគមន៍សមាគមហើយស្រឡាញ់បងប្អូន Hello beautiful I know you the daughters of the Buddhist Pal School yes I'm Lisa from Cambodian Living Art and Culture and Amira dance teacher
Oh, really?
Yes. And you already finished high school, yes?
Yes, already.
And are you in uni right now? Or you?
I am in fourth year.
Wow. Can you tell us a bit more about the Buddhist Power School? Because all people right now I'm live through Cambodian Living Art and Culture. We would like to know more about Buddhist Power School so they would understand they might want to enroll the children in the school. Please tell us a bit more.
So this is our PBS Basakwa 2026.
I think might be a little bit
I think
hard.
it sounds a bit.
Maybe under the beautiful tree here, we would like you to introduce about when established and what is the vision a little bit. So maybe somewhere here that we can see you. Yeah. And first introduce your name.
Hi, my name is Jesselyn. I am one of the staff here at Palbota School. This is our first time holding a food fair for SAC, and this is a bit special because you can see all the stalls here. There's 15 in total from our student grand finalists for our Right Livelihood cooking competition. That is our annual cooking competition where all students from kindergarten to year 12 compete and try to win the title for the champion or the best cook in school. So you can take a look. Our youngest stall holder today is year 1. They're cooking pad thai today, all the way to year 12 students.
Wow, amazing. There's 15 stalls you say, yes?
Yeah, 15.
And you say they have to be the final 15?
They're all the grand finalists from the competition.
Oh, so how many there are before come to the grand final, if you could tell?
All the students competed. So there were around 120, 130 students. They all competed in this year's Right Livelihood competition. Out of that, 15 students made it to the grand finals.
Oh,
So
that's amazing. So they are the young master chef today.
yes, they are.
Can you introduce us a little bit to the store if you don't mind, so we're able to get more idea what are they selling and yes. Oh, is that okay?
Yes, it's fine.
It's okay. Thank you.
right,
Thank you so
thank
much. Thank you. Okay, I would like to introduce
Here's the card.
this. Hello. Is it okay? I'm live. Yes. Can you please tell us about what you're selling? First, introduce your name.
Grand final, can you describe your dish?
This is coconut sticky rice with egg custard. Yeah.
By the Nap Sangkya. Yes. And please wait for Rhino. This is the QR code for Rhino. Please wait for him. And he tried to fundraising to help the Buddhist Power School and tried to be the grand final. Rhino, you already made the grand final, yes? And then after that, what is the next?
They see who's like the winner and they get the cash prize and the medal. Yeah.
Wow.
This is the competition now.
Now it's competition. Who sell the most?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Everybody be to come to help buy some good from Rhino. Thank you Rhino. And then មិនត្រឹមតែកូនទេប៉ាម៉ាក់បងប្អូនមកជុំគ្នាទាំងអស់ជួយ Richard គាត់រវល់អានគាត់ទៅ financial broker ពេលបងប្អូនចង់ទិញផ្ទះចង់ចង់ដឹងពីរឿងថាទិញផ្ទះទិញអីអាចមកសួរគាត់ So can you introduce yourself and tell a bit more please
បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងបណ្ដាញសង្គមខ្ញុំ Richard ដោយអ្នកគ្រូថាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ run finance broking firm ដែលជួយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ក្នុងការកម្ចីដើម្បីទិញផ្ទះឬមួយក៏អគារឡានបងប្អូនអាចតាក់ទងខាងខ្ញុំបានខ្ញុំមាន office 2 office 1នៅ Fairfield office មួយទៀតនៅ Kampramata address អ្នកគ្រូអាចជួយ share ខ្ញុំបានហើយទៅរកខ្ញុំបានក៏នៅហាងកាទៀវបាត់ដំបងក៏មានកាតលេខ2ហើយក៏មានកាត business ខ្ញុំនៅហ្នឹងបាទនៅ office យើងចិត្តនៅចិត្ត Glory Chin shop លេខ7អគារលេខ86 John Street Kampramata
Yes yes
គឺដៅក្រុមហ៊ុនយើងគឺជួយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ក្នុងការកម្ចីដើម្បីបានទិញផ្ទះឬនៅក្នុងប្រទេសថ្មីទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូន
Yes
ចូលមកចាស់ខ្ញុំនឹងជួយអស់ពីលទ្ធភាព
ល្អមែនទែន Richard ជាខ្មែរហើយ Richard ក្រុមគ្រួសារគាត់ជួយខ្មែរច្រើននៅក្នុង community ចឹងហើយពេលបងប្អូនត្រូវការ financial advice he's the best one ហើយគាត់និយាយខ្មែរឡើងល្អក៏ពយល់ជាភាសាខ្មែរច្បាស់លាស់មែនទែនហើយ Richard you want to talk anything about your orange farm no
Orange Farm ចាំតែគ្រូទៅយើងមានចង្ការក្រូច10ហិកតាបើបងប្អូនណាចាប់អារម្មណ៍ចង់ទៅសាកដាំលបងសាកលបងដាំ ចាំអ្នកគ្រូទៅផ្ទាល់អ្នកគ្រូយើងលៃរកពេលដើម្បីទៅមើលថាតើចំការនឹងទំហំវាហើយនឹងសក្តានុពលវាយ៉ាងម៉េចអ្នកគ្រូ
Yes okay
ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំចង់ចែករំលែកជាមួយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ក្នុងសហគមន៍ខ្មែរថាសាលារៀន Pal Body School នេះគឺអប់រំតាមបទដ្ឋានរបស់ប្រទេសអូស្ត្រាលី 100% ហើយក៏មានបញ្ចូលបែបពុទ្ធសាសនាប៉ុន្តែមិនមែនបែបជាសាសនាណាគាត់ថាដូចជា philosophy ទស្សនវិជ្ជារបស់ពុទ្ធយើងអប់រំកូនសិស្សហើយខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់ឃើញថាវាមានប្រយោជន៍សម្រាប់កូនអញ្ចឹងដូចអ្នកគ្រូឃើញថាខ្ញុំចូលរួមដោយសុទ្ធចិត្តអ្វីបើតែខ្ញុំរវល់ការងារយ៉ាងណាយ៉ាងណីក្តីខ្ញុំមកដោយសមាជិកក្នុងការជួយបងប្អូនអាចសាកល្បងបានថាតើការអប់រំបែបនេះអាចជួយយើងបានយ៉ាងម៉េចដោយកូនខ្ញុំអាយុ13 1 14 1ថ្នាក់ទី8ទី9គាត់អាចគប់បានដោយតែគ្រូឃើញបង្ហាញអញ្ចឹងគាត់អាចធ្វើបានច្រើនហើយកម្មវិធីសាលាដែលយើងអាចចូលរួមធ្វើឲ្យយើងគ្រួសារយើងតែមួយហ្នឹងអាចចូលរួមជាធ្លុងមួយបាននៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការជាមួយគ្នាយើងរវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់ប៉ុន្តែយើងភ្លេចនៅពេលដែលមានកម្មវិធីសាលាបែបហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងទៅយើងបានចូលរួមគ្នាយើងធ្វើជាមួយគ្នាខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាសប្បាយណាស់អ្នកគ្រូខ្ញុំគិតថាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គួរណាស់តែសាកល្បងទៅតាក់ទងនឹងសាលាហើយសាកមើលថាតើកម្មវិធីសាលាហ្នឹងវាសមស្របជាមួយនឹងគោលការណ៍គ្រួសារបងប្អូនដែរឬអត់សម្រាប់ខ្ញុំគិតថាល្អសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំលើកទឹកចិត្តបងប្អូនទៅចូលរួមអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ
អរគុណ Richard គាត់បានមានប្រសាសន៍មិញហ្នឹងល្អមែនតើគឺត្រឹមត្រូវខ្ញុំagree 100%ពីព្រោះខ្ញុំបានឃើញហើយបានបង្រៀនកូនគាត់ឃើញថាកូនគាត់នឹងគឺថាល្អមែនទែនចេះស្ដាប់ដំណើរមានពុកម្ដាយហើយខំប្រឹងប្រែងហើយរៀនក៏បកកែមែនទែនកូនគាត់រៀនបកកែណាស់ខ្ញុំសូមសរសើរគាត់អញ្ចឹងហើយបងប្អូនគិតថាវាអាចមក enroll នៅ Buddhist Pal School ហើយមានតែមួយទេសាលារៀនដែលខ្មែរយើងបង្កើតនៅ Sydney New South Wales ហ្នឹងនៅអូស្ត្រាលីហ្នឹងគឺមានតែមួយហើយគាត់ខំប្រឹងប្រែងមែនតើរំដាប់បង្កើតសាលានឹងបានមកហើយកន្លែងទីធ្លានេះគាត់នឹងរៃលុយដើម្បីគាត់នឹងធ្វើសាលាឲ្យបានល្អមែនទែនសម្រាប់ខ្មែរយើងពិសេសនឹងដូចជាគាត់មានពិសេសអញ្ចឹងគាត់គឺមិននិយាយតែពីសាសនាមួយទេគឺរៀនតាម curriculum របស់អូស្ត្រាលីប៉ុន្តែគាត់ទៅថែម philosophy ចូលដើម្បីឲ្យបានក្មេងនៅអូស្ត្រាលីហ្នឹងកាន់តែភាសាកាន់តែយល់ច្បាស់ពីវប្បធម៌ហើយនឹងស្រឡាញ់ពុកម្ដាយក្រុមគ្រួសារហើយនឹងសង្គមយើងហើយដូចថាបង្រៀនធ្វើម្ហូបធ្វើអីគឺល្អមែនទែន
អញ្ចឹងអូស្ការទូចមួយអូស្ការទូចមួយមាន store ដែរអញ្ចឹងអូស្ការធ្វើបានច្រើនអូស្ការតូចមែនទែនប៉ុន្តែធ្វើបានច្រើនមែនទែនបាទគឺមើលអូស្ការនេះអូស្ការ
Hello
អូស្ការ
ជំរាបសួរ Hello
អូស្ការអូស្ការជំរាបសួរ
រៀបសួរកូនយល់សួរហើយមើលប៉ាម៉ាក់រវល់ណាស់ប៉ុន្តែគាត់នៅព្យាយាមគាត់មកមើលកូនគាត់មកជួយដល់សាលាកូនគាត់ដើម្បីរៀបចំ fundraising ហ្នឹងណាគឺខ្ញុំសូមសរសើរមែនទែនលេង I'm so proud of you and your family Oscar hello Oscar can I talk to you is it okay I lie it's alright okay I just gonna check Oscar នេះ Oscar នឹងទីថាក្មេងល្អហើយរៀនក៏ពូកែមែនតើណាអូស្ការកូនធ្វើអីគេហ្នឹងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងលក់អីអូខេកូនធ្វើអីហ្នឹងហ៎ What is this you're selling I'm going to the back stage is it okay hello sorry on
និយាយជាមួយកូន
ជៀនអីគេកំពឹសជៀនហើយនៅក្នុងនោះមានដាក់អីខ្លះកូនមានអីខ្លះមានសូសនៅក្នុងហើយកូនមានដាក់កំពឹសជៀននេះបងប្អូនមើលណាមើលក្មេងគាត់នៅសាលីហើយមើលគាត់ចេះធ្វើអញ្ចឹងគឺខ្ញុំសុំសរសើរគាត់មែនតើណាគឺថាគាត់ព្យាយាមណាហើយគាត់មកតាំងពីព្រលឹមកូន What time did you came here this morning 7 o'clock you came here 7 o'clock to get ready and you also made to the grand final. Wow, you're amazing. Congratulations, Oscar. Tell me how old are you? 10. And you in year? Year 5. That's amazing. And this is your sister. Hello, are you helping? Helping mommy, daddy? Oh my goodness, នេះកន្លែងគាត់ជៀនកពឹសសៅបំពងតែនេះសិតតែគាត់រៃលុយដើម្បីគាត់ជួយគាត់រៃលុយជួយសាលារៀន Buddhist House School នឹងសង្ឃឹមថាគាត់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងរៃលុយបានច្រើនហើយសង់សាលានៅទីនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញអូខេមានបទខ្មែរចាក់ទៀតណា Oscar, good luck today, okay? I saw you make a lot of money and I hope you win. Yes? Thank you, Leng. You did amazing. I know you're so busy on, but to do this is such amazing on.
volunteer ជួយសាលា
Yes, we all volunteer to help our community. Yes. Any message? Invite people to come. How they gonna know
bond
about?
together let Cambodia bond together
That's right. Yeah, let Cambodian bond together. It's amazing. Look, I'm not talking about man on, but my
មកដល់នេះមក7បង
yo, since 7 in the morning. ទាំងតិចក៏ងើបមក6ដែរព្រោះអីបើកឡានមកឆ្ងាយរៀបចំទៀត Okay. Good luck today. Good luck on. Thank you. Yeah. Wow. នេះមានផាត់ថាយមានអីបងប្អូនមកជួយក៏មានពោតមានអីទៀតអូថាកថាមែនតើការរៀបចំធ្វើកម្មវិធីមួយទៀត Yeah, you're coming. Wow. Today a picnic family day.
it is delicious
Hey guys, if you want to try Dubai profiterole, we down in store 10, 11 there. Oh yeah, Leon, you want one? Huh?
Like a family picnic style មកជួបជុំគ្នា
What else did you want?
It's a wonderful event that we all come together to support the community ហើយមកជួបជុំគ្នាលក់ម្ហូបអាហារដើម្បីរៃលុយជួយសាលារៀនដើម្បីនិយាយទៅ to build គាត់ចង់សាងសង់សាលាខ្មែរមួយនៅអូស្ត្រាលីហ្នឹងណាដើម្បីបង្រៀនឲ្យច្បាស់លាស់នៅពីរបបខ្មែរយើងឲ្យដឹងសាសនាយើងឲ្យចេះគោរពពុកម្ដាយបងប្អូនឲ្យចេះបម្រើសង្គមគឺថាល្អមែនទែនការសាលារៀននឹងរំតែបានគាត់មកសាសង់បានសាលារៀនណាគឺប្រើពេលវេលាច្រើនហើយថវិកាក៏ច្រើនចឹងក៏ខំប្រឹងប្រែងរៃលុយ support 100%ហើយថ្ងៃនេះចំមក this day ទៀតនេះ philosophy របស់គាត់ How did the Buddhists cultivate generosity នេះគម្រោងដែលគាត់ចង់ធ្វើសាលារៀនអនាគតទៅគាត់មានការច្បាស់លាស់របស់គាត់ណា
I think it's overloaded.
Do you know about our SRC's Renounce Challenge?
Sorry?
Do you know about our SRC's Renounce Challenge?
No, I don't. Can you let me know? Can you share me?
Yeah,
I'm live right now. Is it
Oh,
all
you're
right?
live?
I
Yeah,
just want to
that's
promote the Buddhist House School here. Yes, and so everybody can come and understand a bit more. So tell me what was it you
So
say?
this is
our SRC Renounce Challenge, we have a website here. There's actually a QR code for if you want to scan later when you're not live.
Yes.
But, basically, the Renounce Challenge is for students to give up a bad habit and embrace a good one. We have some examples over here actually. This is Tom Dow, and he is giving up his screen time.
Yes.
Instead by amazing stories. It's a horror and sci-fi story actually. There's a little excerpt for the story and a little image that he added.
Did he do this?
It's AI.
Oh, okay. Oh,
The
okay.
story's on the website,
Yeah.
and he's released 4 chapters. It's like a horror, sci-fi, adventure kind of story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can I ask you, this is 68.
that's how.
This is how many students are
all of
participating
the
right
students
now.
are participating in the Renounce Challenge.
Yes.
Mostly high school, some years at 5s and year 6s. The younger years, they are also participating, but they aren't on this website because it's a bit hard for them.
So whatever the fundraising right now is already uploaded here, it's not yet. It's just like it's a sample.
No, you can actually go into Sponsor a Pal, and you can see the people who have already gotten some sponsorships.
Yes.
And
You can see their blog posts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pull up mine for example.
Yeah, but basically the plan is for students to show what they've been doing every week
Yes.
on the website. And, like an example, that was his first blog post.
Yes.
And on the website, it has this chapter 1 story and everything that he plans to renounce.
Okay, we from Cambodian Living Art and Culture. Right now I'm live through Cambodian Living Art Culture, it's a non-profit organization. And we do fundraising from Saucy Caesar. So we want to contribute $100 from our organization for Buddha High School. So what should I do next?
If you want to make a general donation,
Yes.
I suggest going over to the finance over there. But
Okay.
if you want to donate to a specific pal
Yeah.
and help motivate them to continue their good habits, then you can go to our website through our QR code and go to Sponsor a Pal, and you can click onto some students and you can see what they've been doing. Like Brian has been reading some books.
Okay, so we want to donate to this Buddhist High School so they can use that to build the school. It's not much, but it's from our heart. Yeah. So I go to that section you say.
Yeah, that would be the
Okay.
section to go to.
Okay. It's okay. This is a lovely student that works so hard for Buddhist Power that have good moral for their school. So thank you so much for the information. Keep going. You did amazing. You did amazing job. Okay. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹង donate $100 from Cambodian Living Art and Culture to Buddhist Power School ដើម្បីឲ្យគាត់បានយកមកសាសង់សាលាមិនច្រើនទេព្រោះយើងក៏មិនសូវមានលុយកាក់ដែរប៉ុន្តែទឹកចិត្តរបស់យើងចង់ donate ទៅគាត់ Okay ឥឡូវនេះមកកន្លែង finance section. Hello, I'm living. Is it okay? We're from Cambodian Living Art and Culture. I'm New South Wales, yes. And the reason I'm promoting our live is to let the whole world know, especially in Australia and Sydney, to understand a bit more about Buddhist Power School and like Buddhist Power School and our organization. We quite close and we try to support as much we can. Yeah. And we would like to donate you $100 from our organization. Yes.
So much. Well, if you donate $100, you actually get 2 of these packs as a generous gift.
That's lovely. Look, we're gonna donate $100, and this is the gift they give to others. Are you sure you don't want to like sell it so you can make more money out of it?
No, that is a gift for you to thank you for supporting our school.
That's okay. We can do. So you got like something that scan or thing, yes, card. Yeah, or pay ID. Yeah. ចឹងហើយថាយើងសមាគមសិល្បៈវប្បធម៌ខ្មែរយើងក៏ចង់ជួយទៅ Buddhist Power School ដែរឃើញថាគាត់ខំប្រឹងប្រែងមែនទែនដើម្បីសាសង់ឲ្យបានសាសង់សាលាតិចទៀតគាត់នឹងសាសង់សាលានឹងហើយគាត់ថាថាការកម្មតាមានច្រើនពេលបងប្អូនចង់ donation I'm gonna donate Cambodian Living Art and Culture គាត់ឬ directly ទៅគាត់ទៅ Buddhist Power School ក៏បានដែរ
Thank you. Thank you.
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំនឹងជូនគាត់
Vietnam, yes.
$100 for the donation. Okay, what should I do? I have Visa card. I have Visa card. Yes. I heard soon they will build a school. We'll build a school around here for Buddhist High School soon. We're praying to them to build a school soon. Yeah. So what's your name?
Elise.
Alice. Alice. That's Alice and what's your name?
Jack.
Jack. Alice and Jack working so hard today to help fundraising. Thank you. យើងជួយបានយើងជួយគាត់ទៅព្រោះគាត់យកមកផ្សង់សាលាហើយដើម្បីឲ្យបានក្មេងៗមានអនាគតល្អនៅអូស្ត្រាលីនឹង
I can get 7 bottles of water, like really
Thank you. You got it? You got it? Okay, $100 donation to Paul just did it. Yes. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. So Ryan, if I want to order, I have to scan that. Yes, so I can't live that. So I have to scan it.
No, it's yeah.
Or can I pay cash?
Or cash your card.
I think I pay cash. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get some more out there.
Thank you, ban tắc mùi.
Okay, thank you. Ban tắc mùi. Okay, I'm gonna get two then. Vậy đó con bạc cài mình tên. Cái thà phải nhâm thank you á. Rồi ban tắc mùi. Chẳng nhâm thank you. Con thank you. That two. About two. You all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Nhâm thank you. Con Ryan, Ryan ngày nay ban. Rồi ban đặt ná.
Ở trong ban sẽ bị.
Nhâm xong pi má. Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. អរគុណច្រើនមិញភ្លេចសួរអរគុណ
This is coconut sticky rice with egg custard.
I'll get one thing.
ឥឡូវនឹងខ្ញុំទិញហើយនេះជួយទិញ Ryan មិញភ្លេចសួរ how much on ភ្លេចសួរ how much a packet I haven't tell the audience yet you how much for packet
$5.
Yeah យើងទៅ1 $5ទិញ2 10បានទឹក1 so it's good ឥឡូវទៅរត់ទិញ Amira Yes Amira
No. One is $6.
One for $6.
Amira,
Yeah.
I like this post right now. You can be tied with first place. These guys are the bottom. I'm 19.
Ooh.
You guys are 19.
Wow, so they make 18 the first place. I get 2. Get 2, yes. Yes. Get 2. 12. 2 for $12. Think got jacket lawyer. That is so good, Con.
If you really like my food, you can vote. It's a
Yeah.
Facebook photo, and you just and she'll do better Cambodian dance.
Yes.
I'll perform at Cambodian vision.
Yeah, she gonna perform Cambodian Vision. That is so beautiful. My Apsara dancer, this one. Chui boy da Amira. Chui boy. So I have 2. Can give me 2. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, gone. Good luck. Good luck. I'm going to next one. Oscar, are you selling food for me? Can I have 2 pack, please, Oscar?
Thank you.
Oscar got 10 years old. Oscar. That's okay. Take your time. ចាបងប្អូនឃើញទេគឺថានៅ Buddhist High School ហ្នឹងគាត់បង្រៀនដឹកនាំឲ្យក្មេងចេះជួយសង្គមហើយចេះធ្វើម្ហូបអាហារលក់ដើម្បីរៃលុយជួយសាសង់សាលាគឺថា system របស់គាត់នឹងគឺថាការធម៌មេត្តានៅមានក្នុងចិត្តជាងគឺថាល្អមែនទែនខ្ញុំរីករាយហើយខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តមកឃើញអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់ support ណាចឹងមកថានិយាយទៅលុយយើងអាចរកបានតែមនុស្សល្អរកមិនអាចរកបានទេហើយការរៀនចេះដឹងធ្វើឲ្យមនុស្សយើងល្អ It's okay. It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. Okay. 2 box please. ចា Okay. Yeah, thank you on. Hello, con Anna. Is that right? Oh, this Anna. ហើយមានទឹកម្រេចទៀតណា Anna ជួយធ្វើដែរ Are you helping Oscar? Oh, Anna year man, Anna. What year are you?
Thank you very much. Very delicious.
Year 4. Oh, ថ្នាក់ទី 4. Oscar, your sister, how old is she now? 6. That means she in year 1? Kindy. We talk. We will contact on the phone. You're busy now. You're very busy all the time on. និយាយទៅ Oscar គឺថារវល់ណាស់ម្ដាយពុកម្ដាយគាត់រវល់មែនទែនដូចតែខ្ញុំចឹងការងាររវល់ប៉ុន្តែយើងនៅតែគិតដល់សង្គមបងប្អូនយើងជានិច្ចពីព្រោះយើងជាខ្មែរយើងបេះដូងខ្មែរយើងនិយាយភាសាខ្មែរយើងកើតសាច់ឈាមជាខ្មែរអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងធ្វើអ្វីៗឲ្យដល់បានជួយដល់ខ្មែរសង្គមខ្មែរយើងឲ្យខ្មែរយើងចេញមានមុខមានមាត់ឲ្យខ្មែរយើងមានពន្លឺព្រមវប្បធម៌ខ្មែរយើងល្អមែនទែនធ្វើឲ្យប្រជាជនខ្មែរយើងចេះស្រឡាញ់គ្នាចាចេះស្រឡាញ់គ្នាចេះជួយគ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកតិចច្រើនគឺក្នុងចិត្តបេះដូងរបស់យើងអញ្ចឹងកុំភ្លេចបងប្អូនមកជួយ support គាត់ផងណា Buddhist House School គាត់ Can I borrow my bag គាត់ Oh good yeah ចឹងមិនថាបងប្អូនគួរតែមកលេង Buddhist House School ហើយមកមើលការ philosophy ក៏ការរៀបចំរបស់គាត់នេះនៅ standard ខ្ពស់ហើយសិស្សរៀនបកែក្នុងដូចថា HSC result បានខ្ពស់មែនទែន rank ខ្ពស់ដែរខ្ញុំសូមសរសើរដែលអ្នកដឹកនាំអ្នក founder ឬលោកគ្រូគាត់ជា founder ឈ្មោះបញ្ញាផាវបញ្ញាមែនទែនឈ្មោះនឹងសមនឹងរូបរាងគាត់ដែលគាត់មានប្រាជ្ញាខ្ពង់ខ្ពស់ចាបញ្ញាផាវដែលគាត់បង្កើតសាលារៀន Buddhist High School ឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណច្រើនហើយ good luck to Buddhist High School ដែលគាត់នឹងមាន founder ដែលគឺគ្រូបញ្ញាផាវ good luck គាត់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងហើយ good luck all the candidate that do fundraising ឲ្យបានលុយបានច្រើន good luck អរគុណច្រើន